So hey everybody, my name is Zain from Zain Tech Savvy, and in this YouTube video we will be unboxing the lavalier U microphone. And this mic is like the best budget microphone. The microphone's great for making YouTube videos, vlogging, and way more. So for today's video we will be unboxing this. Okay, now let's look at what is inside the box. So first we have this really nice looking carrying pouch. Let's zoom in on that real quick. So this is like a really nice looking carrying pouch. And, this is the YouMic must-have vlogging tool. So great for vlogging. Nothing else inside the box, so we don't need that. Inside the box, so we don't need that. So now we can get the things up. So this is gonna be your mystery bag. What's gonna be first? Let's see. Okay, it's a long wire. Oh my god, everything fell. Okay, so first is this, like your basic mic, the thing that you need to have. Now let's look at how long this thing is, but I threw out the box. So this is your 12 feet cord, and this is your 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. This is your lavalier microphone with the mic wind cuff on the top. It's a black colored one. So this is really nice. Let's look at the second thing. So second thing is basically, wow, this is amazing. It's like the YouTube logo, like YouTube YouMic logo for like maybe cleaning it or something. So then we have the card. We don't need that. Then we have this thing. Wonder what this is. So let's see. Okay, so this is basically just like an adapter, most likely. Yeah, so this should fit in here. Yeah, like that. So this is just an adapter. Then what else is inside? So we have one more wind cuff. This is black color. And we have one more wind cuff. This is the red colored version. So this red one looks really cool. So maybe we should switch those soon. Then we have your carrying pouch. What else is inside? Okay, so this is your clip. So this is the main thing you need for your lavalier microphone. So this just goes on there, then you can clip this to your shirt. So now let's take a look more detailed.
Here we go.
So this is just your normal smartphone microphone. Now this is your lavalier microphone, your YouMic. So now let's see if these mics, they're really worth it. So this product for me would be like a 9 out of 10. Overall, the build quality for this thing is just amazing. This is mind-blowing. Like, the build quality is just amazing. The clip fits on really nicely. Then the wind cuff is really useful because blocking the wind. And of course the other sounds. This wire is really nice, thick and good. But yeah, so this was the YouMic unboxing review. And if you guys like this, please be sure to like the video and also subscribe to my channel. Other than that, that's gonna be it for this video. Peace.